Hi, this is TomReardon, math teacher from Ohio, answering the question, why TI Inspire CX? TI Inspire CX, the handheld and the software are now in color. Why TI Inspire CX touchpad? It is a learning tool and a teaching tool. It is no longer just a graphing calculator, but now in color. One of the main things that we math teachers want our students to understand well is how to represent mathematics in multiple ways. With TI Inspire, students can now experience this for themselves on a single screen at their own pace. Watch. Here I'm using the TI Inspire CX software to emulate this. The graphing calculator would look just like this. Here's a document called Multiple Representations. Going to the next page. Student is asked to grab this point H and observe what happens as it's pulled left and right, and you can see that numbers are changing. But the cool part was when the student's asked to press Control decimal point and see what happens, and continue to pull the point, and continue Control decimal point, and so on, and do this for several points. As you'll notice, the calculator is not only graphing the point, but also plotting the order or putting the ordered pair in the table at the right. Please notice how color is used here. The blue is used for domain elements. It's used for the x-axis. It's used for the variable h, which is the domain variable. Red is used for the range elements, the y-axis, and also I, the range variable, and it's used for the points that are plotted here. The purpose of this problem is to have students make the connections between the graph, the table, equation, and the wording of the problem. And that is done here all on one screen, and the student works at his or her own pace. And the color, it just makes it so much easier for students to make those connections. Here on this screen, you can see both the CX version and the traditional CX version in black and white or grayscale. Notice again, the use of color not only makes it much more pleasing to the eye, but definitely helps teach the concepts better. And this concludes this